Yes. Dear students, today we are going to deal with one of the important topic in our syllabus, that is relationship between repertory, materia medica and organon of medicine. Without these three subjects, we can't study the homeopathy. When we are going to study the homeopathic science, we should have to study these three subjects. These three subjects are very important in homeopathic science. As we know, these are the three important pillars of homeopathic science. And if any of this pillar is getting absent, or if it is not understood properly, then we will get failed to do the homeopathic practice, or we can't understood what exactly homeopathy is. So, as these three pillars are equally important, these three subjects are having their own scope, having their own importance in the homeopathic science. And these three subjects are completely depend upon each other. They cannot be separated from each other. Without a single subject, the system will be incomplete. So, when we are dealing with the homeopathic science, these three subjects are equally important. Again, we can say this homeopathy is based on three-legged stools. Three-legged stool. 3 पायाचा स्टूल आहे आणि त्या स्टूलचे 3 पाय म्हणजे कोण आहेत? दिस 3 legs of this stool are, one is repertory, second is materia medica, and third is organon of medicine. And if we are lacking one of the leg, then stool will be get imbalanced. There is no balance for that stool. Stool will be get collapsed. Same wise, if anybody is not having knowledge, anybody is not understood properly one of the subject among these 3 legs of the stool, then the system will be get, or homeopathic science or homeopathic system will get imbalanced. That means it will not understood properly if any of this subject is absent, or any of this subject is not properly understood. So this is about the introductory part, how these subjects are important. Another point regarding these 3 subjects, we can compare these 3 subjects with our body's part. We should have to compare these 3 subjects with our body. Our body is one of the systematically arranged or systematically planned or programmed body by which we can perform day-to-day activity, by which all the system in our body work in coordination, and with the help of this coordination work of all system of our body, we are alive. If these systems are the work or the functioning of this system is getting disturbed, getting incoordinated, then we will be sick. We will suffer from the disease. We will suffer from the discomfort. Same wise, in relation, or when we are concerned with the materia medica, repertory and organon, materia medica is like a heart. Materia medica हे हृदय आहे homeopathic science. Organon of medicine is the soul of homeopathic science. Organon of medicine हे homeopathic science चा आत्मा आहे. And repertory is like all other parts of the body. Now we can understand how these subjects are important. Without heart we can't alive. We have a soul. Because of that, we have a different type of behavior. We have a different type of ideas. We have different type of things related to the mind, that is personality, behavior, thinking pattern, understanding, will. All these are related to the soul. It means Atma. Without soul, we can't believe the body. Without soul, there is no body. If there is a no soul, there will be the death. So, organon of medicine is also as much important as like materia medica, and all other parts are also important. If and with the help of this heart, soul, and all other body part, body will perform its normal physiological function properly. So, same wise, materia medica, organon of medicine, and repertory, these three subjects are working in a coordination with each other, and because of that, homeopathic science or the system of homeopathic science is working properly. So, as I have already told you about the independency of these three subject, they are independently working. They are independently working. They are complementary to each other. They are having independent role, but they are having complementary role with each other. Yes, and they are inseparable from each other. So because of that, we should know what exactly these subjects are performing their work in the homeopathic science. Let us see how they are dependent with example. When we are going to deal with one patient, when we are going to deal with one patient or one case, at that time we should have to take a case first. First of all, we should have to take a case, and for the purpose of case taking, we follow the guidelines given by our master Hahnemann, which are given in the organon of medicine, in the aphorisms of organon of medicines. Aphorisms are very informative. They plays important role in guiding us for the managing the case. That is, since from taking the case and up to the selection of the similimum or selection of a potency or administration of the drug also, as well as for follow-up also, we can take help of the organon of medicine. And after the case taking, we have to select the one similimum. And for the purpose of that selection of the similimum, we should have to take a help of a repertory. Repertory means what? Repertory is systematically and logically arranged index to the homeopathic materia medica, which is full of information, which is collected from toxicology, drug proving, and clinical experience. So now we arrive at a point. Now we understood what exactly repertory is. Repertory is nothing but the index to the materia medica. So after the case taking, by using the guidelines given by Master Hahnemann in organon of medicine, we have to go for the selection of the similimum, and for the selection of the similimum, we should have to take help of a repertory, which is logically and systematically arranged index to the homeopathic materia medica. So that's why repertory is also important for the selection of the similimum. But one thing is to be remembered, that repertory doesn't give you a final choice of remedy. We should have to go for the study of materia medica, which is called as a final court of appeal. उच्च न्यायालय, सर्वोच्च न्यायालय कोण आहे तर materia medica आहे. आणि त्या materia medicaमध्ये आपल्याला जाऊन आपल्याला हवा असणारा ड्रग शोधून काढायचा आहे, हवा असणारा औषध शोधून काढायचं आहे, ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ युअर knowledge regarding the materia medica, on the basis of how exactly the case is taken, how exactly the physician has perceived the disease or the patient which is ill or which is suffering from the disease, and at the level of mind or at the level of body. After this collective information, we have to select the one single similimum with the help of materia medica. How? Why? Because by using the repertory, with the help of repertorization, we get a group of similar remedies, or we can say a group of closely running remedies. And these closely running remedies, among these closely running remedies, we have to select one single similimum. And for the purpose of that one single simple substance, that is similimum, we should have to take help of a materia medica. So now we understood how exactly these three subjects are dependent upon each other, even though they are having their own importance, even though they are having their own application in the homeopathic science. So that's why even after the selection of the remedy, when we are going to select the potency, we should have to take a help of a organon of medicine. When we are going to manage the auxiliary management of the disease, we should have to take a help of organon of medicine for the diet and regime which is given in the organon of medicine, as well as for the repetition, for the follow-up, we should have to follow the guidelines given by our master Hahnemann in organon of medicine. Now you understood. Now I hope you understood the relationship between the materia medica, organon of medicine, and the repertory. Finally, I am going to tell you only that the materia medica is the ocean of pearl. Materia medica is ocean of pearl. And organon of medicine will help you to use the pearl, how to use the pearl, which is in the ocean of materia medica. And repertory will help us how to pick up, how to select that pearl from the ocean of materia medica. So, pearl is important. It is taken from materia medica. It is picked up from materia medica with the help of repertory, and it is used, it is applied at a proper place. Its proper use is only possible with the help of organon of medicine. So, this is about the relationship of organon of medicine, repertory, and materia medica. Thank you.